Hello, people, and like always, I'm back here, uh, sitting beneath this tree in Maritpalli. Yeah, Maritpalli, Hyderabad. So, people, as of today, I began reading this book. It's called 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. It's a number one international bestseller, and this gentleman was a faculty at Harvard. My God, 12 Rules for Life, an antidote to chaos. If only I had read this book at probably, or maybe if only this book had got written when I was in my early 20s, I would have made some very different life choices, probably. I mean, I've never said this before, but this is as profound as it gets. So, people try and read this book, 12 Rules for Life, because seriously, it will change your life. So sorry, people. I'm recording soon after coming back from work, after walking and all. So I'm like all, you know. But seriously, 12 Rules for Life, one of the best books I have ever read. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.